Have you ever tried to find a specific answer online, only to end up buried under a mountain of links and confusing articles? When you ask a regular search engine a question, it hands you a million different books and says, "Here, you read through all of these to find what you're looking for." But there is a much calmer way to find information using a tool called ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT like a friendly librarian. Instead of dropping a pile of books on your desk and making you do the work, this librarian has already read everything. They listen to your question and then write down the exact answer you need. This shift means you can skip the tedious process of clicking through endless web links and get straight to the information you actually want. To get started, open your internet browser and type chatgpt.com into the address bar at the top of your screen. Once you're on the page, look for the button that says Sign Up and click it to begin. From here, you'll just fill out a basic form with your email address and a password that you choose. This is just like registering for a free card at your local public library. It's free, it's safe, and once you've finished this one-time setup, your digital helper will be ready whenever you need it. Whenever you return in the future, you don't need to sign up again. You'll just click Log In to walk back through the library doors. When you first walk in, notice how simple the screen looks. Unlike most websites, there are no flashing ads or messy menus to distract you. Look at the very bottom. You'll see an empty white box waiting for you. This box is the only tool you need to use. This is where you'll talk to your digital librarian by typing in your questions. Even though there is highly advanced technology running things in the background, all you have to do to get an answer is type a message. Think of the instructions you give the librarian as a prompt. It's just the message you send to let them know what you need help with. This chart shows the difference between a vague request and a good one. The pink column shows a short instruction that doesn't help much. To improve, use the 3 W's rule. First, what do you want? A recipe, a letter, or a summary? The second W is, who is it for? Letting the librarian know about the person receiving the answer, like a grandchild or a doctor, helps them choose the right words. The third W is way to sound. You can ask the librarian to be funny, serious, or very professional. For example, instead of just asking for a birthday note, you could ask for a funny, dinosaur-themed birthday message for a 10-year-old grandson. Adding those 3 simple details is what turns a generic computer response into an answer that feels human and personal. Once your message is ready, just click the arrow button to send it to the librarian. You'll see the assistant begin to instantly generate the response right there on the screen. But here's the most helpful part. If the first answer isn't quite right, you don't have to start over from the beginning. You can just ask for a change. In that same white box at the bottom, you could simply type, "Can you make that a little shorter?" The assistant remembers your conversation and will rewrite its previous answer to fit your new request. You cannot break the system. This is a patient tool designed to let you explore and solve daily problems by simply having a conversation.